Ndị be anyị bịakwanụ ka unu nụrụ ife ndị Nigerian gọọmenti na Sowore na-eje na nke ikpeazụ anụnwa dịka eme ka ndị mmadụ mata na Sowore na ụfọdụ ndị Igbo na-aga n'ime afịa wee na-agwa onye ọbụla na fa mechie shọpụ fa on 28 ka eje asọrọ ọkụ Abuja ka fa je gwa ndị gọọmenti ka hapụ Nnamdi Kanu wee na-akọwa na ndị uwe ojii nke Naijiria edegokwa n'akwụkwọ wee dejelu ndị ụlọ ikpe ka fa saịnụ Sowore fayara ịpụtakwanụ wee menya bụ ngagharị nke fa na-akwado o wee bụ na onye ọkaikpe kwesịkwana ịsaịnụ nya bụ akwụkwọ jụkwanụ na ọma nsaịnụ onye ka eme ka ndị mmadụ mata na onye ọkaikpe ahụ gwalụ ndị uwe ojii nke gọọmenti wee gwafa na ọ bụrụ na fa chọrọ ka a saịnụ ọlụfa akwụkwọ maọbụ ka a kwụsịkwanụ Sowore ka ọ ghara imenya bụ ngagharị na fa jee gbaa Sowore akwụkwọ n'ụlọ ikpe na ikpe fa na Sowore ya adozi on 21st nya emechaa ngagharị echi ezi fa na Sowore ejebe n'ụlọ ikpe IG of Police wee na-akọwa na-enwe ndị nke mekwa ngagharị maka ya bụ Nnamdi Kanu na ndị nke ahụ detalụ fa akwụkwọ wee gwafa na fa chọrọ ime ngagharị and na fa saịnụlụ fa akwụkwọ fa wee jee na Sowore edetaghị ọlụfa bụ ndị uwe ojii akwụkwọ na ọchọkwa na ime ngagharị onye ka afụzikwa kịta anụnwa na nya bụ onye ọkaikpe sịkwanụ na ọma nsaịnụ nya bụ akwụkwọ na omegokwa anya bụ akwụkwọ approve wee sị ka akwụsị Sowore fa ghara imekwanụ nya bụ ngagharị on 28 onye ka Sowore pụtara ebe a wee sị na ọ kwadochagokwanụ nya bụ ife na oyi emeriri ya na o nwetagokwanụ lọya 115 years sofa n'azụ mbọsị ahụ ya ada agwafa ka fa ya esi wee mee ka fa ghara ime misteki n'ife ọbụla fa ya eme ọ ya bụ onwe nke fa chi ime fa emetaghị ya maọbụ nke fa chọkwa n'ime na fa mụọ ka fa ya esi wee mie ka ndị ọkaikpe ahụ na-agwafa ka fa ya esi wee menya bụ ife unu ya ege ntị ebe a ka unu nụkwa n'ife fa kwuru n'ime afịa.
Another major reason why they don't want to pass Nnamdi Kanu is because this year they bring him before that he don't do yesterday. Their budget is about 500 billion. So if you have 500 billion naira to splash, to spend, if you have 500 billion naira to invest for bringing Nnamdi Kanu to court, will you want to release him? If you release him, will you continue to drag out 500 million as logistics to bring him to court? So that is why they are still holding. Also, there is security in the surface with all those who are benefiting. The politicians, the governors, and we also know that the Nigerian security agencies are also benefiting from the insecurity in the surface. Because the more they see security, the more they have money to buy ammunition. We want to put a stop to what we need a peaceful southeast. And the peaceful southeast can only be achieved if Nnamdi Kanu is released. Therefore, we are saying we reject country where a section of the country where and as a Igbo man I will be treated as a I reject it, I will fight for it, I will lost my children and great-grandchildren because of our consumption. We are asking for justice, we are asking for justice for all Nigerians. We are saying the way you have negotiated with the bandits, the way you are accompanying the bandits paying their salary, you should also know that the people of the Southeast have the right to agitate to either be part of this country or not be part of this country. And we want to produce a very simple under the tennis. Our brother, Senior Comrade, Sowore, after the one thing on the one Kanu, what said that he risked his life, and God is with him to lead the protest. The protest is going to be peaceful. We have written to the police, and from there now we are talking with them. They said that we should let our people. I know there are some people that are going to discourage you people. Don't allow them to be on Monday, 7 a.m., sacrifice that day. Yeah, liberation. Now, over to you. Cha, Gbekwenu. Cha, Gbekwenu. What's on? That's all. We're having the house of fired up. Today is our 5th day going around markets in Abuja. And as we are doing it here, mobilization is going on across the country. They have tried everything they can to stop it. They even started some people demonstrating yesterday at the National Assembly to stop us.
But we said it's their fundamental right to go against us. But you cannot go against the movement for liberation. Yes, sir. This trend is now moving to final destination. Woo! Yes, sir. That is why we came here today to see you. To ask first that you should offer us Monday, close down this market. We heard that the DSS has gone around to say people should open their shops. There's no law in this country. Secondly, they have tried everything to blackmail me. Some of them said, I'm looking for votes. Some of them said, I want to take the leadership of Eagles. Some of them have accused me of all kinds of things. When this did not work, they went to court today to go and look for a court order to stop me. And lo and behold, the judge told them that I cannot stop Sowore from. So they now went back inside the chambers of the judge. Say, my Lord, give us something. They now said, well, you can protest anywhere, but you can't come to us so long. But the truth is that when the people are moving, that is what Bob Marley called Exodus. Movement of the people! Woo! Exodus. Movement of the people! When people are moving, nobody can stop them. And this is not an Igbo, Yoruba or Hausa protest. Freedom. This is just freedom of everybody. In fact, we have voted for too long. Small countries like Madagascar, I don't want military coup. They have done it. Nepal has done their own. Morocco has done their own. In fact, Tunisia wants to do their own second time. Egypt wants to do their own. Wow, what are we waiting for? Where are we coming out tomorrow? Move Nigeria. Yes. Second-class citizenship is applied against people, but it's also applied against all of us. Yes. Because we have those that are sold out. One of them was saying that Nnamdi Kanu's case is in court. That the one that the one they call Oyenzuzu, who went and said that Nnamdi Kanu's case is in court. But when he was doing his own corruption trial, in fact, for you to enjoy respect and prestige in Nigeria, you must be a terrorist. Of course. Yes. Or a militant. Yes. Or a bandit. Yes. Or a kidnapper. Yes. Or you must be a bandit. You will see all the people they passed on last week. It was because those people are from his constituencies. The drug lord constituency, federal constituency of drugs. But when we have been crying since Monday, they now said, oh, we are sorry, we want to review the list. That's not our business. I am not here to ask for Nnamdi Kanu to get pardon. We can only ask for pardon for a person who has committed an offense. This man has been detained for the second time since 2021. Only one witness has appeared in court, and the witness said he did not even find a reasonable name for him. So how did you come to the position that he's a terrorist and you're trying him for terrorism? And you all know that when it comes to cases, I get a lot of cases with the federal government. Believe you. And when I say use case, I know it. Yeah. Because they file a lot of use cases against me. In fact, there was a time they filed a case against me in 2020. They charged me and Nnamdi Kanu together. Yeah. They lied that we killed some policemen in the southeast. I have never been to the southeast with Nnamdi Kanu before. But this is how the Nigerian government operates. The Nigerian government is made of terrorists. Yes. I'm not the one who said it. It was pronounced in Canada. We know the APC is a terrorist organization. The PDP is a terrorist organization. The Nigerian police force is a terrorist organization. Those are the people we should be arresting and trying for murder and terrorism. The people who went to kidnap Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya, they are terrorists. Yes. Yes. Why is it that you have not named them and arrested them? I was on our way coming here today and see one joke on the internet. The federal government went and sued and that insulted Natasha. That's a joke. They don't want to distract your attention. Nobody's going to be distracted by all these jokes. We are serious on Monday, 7 a.m. please. Our gathering place is the Unity Fountain. But in case they don't allow us to get there, come inside town, we will find a place to converge and we will converge around the seat of power. So please start coordinating from now. Nobody, it's not a fight. We are asking for solidarity.
We are not going to fight. Peaceful demonstration.
We are not forcing you to close down, but we are asking you in solidarity that in the interest of justice, let's fight.
Nigeria works, everybody happy
for ourselves. I want to free will. I want to be happy in Nigeria the way I was happy in America for 20 years. That's why I came back here. I don't need anything from Nigeria. I don't need a car. I don't need a house. I don't need anything from anybody, but I need freedom. Yes. I want to live in my own country. Yes. I don't. No matter how nice a country is in the world, I've been to 30 countries. Yeah. No one commanded. East or west, home is the best. Yes. And that's why
we come back.
We are here. We are asking for free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now.
Free Nnamdi Kanu now! Free Nnamdi Kanu now! Free Nnamdi Kanu now!
What do we want?
Freedom!
When do we want it?
Now!
When do we want it?
Now!
Free Nnamdi Kanu
Now!
Thank you very much. God bless you. My leader.